everyone, welcome back to my channel Expert Nurse. Today I will show you how to give a intramuscular injection in the deltoid muscle in a simple and safe way. Firstly, hand hygiene. First, perform proper hand hygiene using a sanitizer or wash hand. Then put the gloves on. Wear clean gloves to maintain a aseptic technique. Now we are preparing a medication. Take a 1 ml syringe. Fill a 1 ml syringe with the withdrawing needle. From the vial, like today I'm withdrawing the medication from ampule. You can withdraw the medication from vial as well, whatever the injection is it you are giving. So remove the withdrawing needle and then attach the new needle. So never use the same needle to inject the patient. It will be more harmful or more painful for the patient. Now we are removing the air bubble from the syringe by tapping a gentle tap on the syringe. Now we are using the scoop method to remove the withdrawing needle. Now we will gonna put injecting needle on the syringe. Look at that. There are one stubborn bubble in the syringe. With a gentle tap, we are removing a air bubble from the syringe, so that we can inject the medication in a safe way. Now we are going to use orange for a deltoid muscle, for example. Now locate the deltoid muscle, and I'm just writing down a shoulder on that orange. So first, what we have to do, locate the deltoid muscle, measure about 2 fingers width below the acromion process. This is your injecting site. I'm gonna mark the injecting site. Normally we are not, but this is the example, so we are using a mark on it. Take alcohol swab, clean the injecting site, let it dry in air. So now hold the syringe like a dart. Insert the needle at the 90-degree angle into the muscle. Push back the medication slowly. Pull the slowly and then push the medication and then pull the slowly injection. And in that way, we will not gonna inject so fast. So remove the needle and apply gentle pressure with the gauge if needed. And that's it. Simple and effective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Expert Nurse for more nursing skills. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this.